Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be using watercolors and we are painting a basket with some really pretty roses in it. And I actually want to tell you where I got the idea from. So if you go on Pinterest and you type in color palettes, a bunch of color palettes will come up, but they also have actual photographs with them. So it's not someone else's painting, and I found that looking at other people's painting or their drawing, it just really dampens my creative process and it makes it really hard to make it my own, I guess. So I thought I would try out using a photograph instead, and it actually turned out really well. And I just thought I would share that with you if you need some inspiration or an idea just to get yourself to paint and get the process kind of going. So that's one really cool spot to look. There are beautiful color palettes on there, and I don't know, I just really found it inspiring. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.